Welcome to Jet King Rajajinagar CCNA Virtual Video Training Program. Myself CG. In this video, I am going to discuss about basics router administrative configurations. Basically, why we need this administrative configuration? So, what is the purpose of this administrative configuration? These administrative configurations are helpful for the administrator to troubleshoot the network as well as configure the network. So this administrative configuration does not increase or decrease router performance. So these administrative configurations are very much helpful for the network manager as well as network administrator, network engineer. So in that, first one is your host name. So host name, why we need host name? So in a network, all the devices are identified by IP. So instead of identifying by IP, here we are going to use name of that particular device. The first one is host name. Host is nothing but any device with IP. First, so in my rack, so I have 5 router. So here I have a 5 router plus 1 switch. Now I want to configure all this router from this laptop. By default, all the router has host name of router. So first, I will go to my first router. See here, all the router has host name of router. So I will go to my second router as well as my third router. So this router also has a host name of router. So here it's very difficult to identify a particular router by its network. For that, so I will change my host name from default to some other name. So for that, first enter to privilege user execution mode, then type enable enable, then configure terminal, then here now I'm in router global configuration mode. Command to change the host name space here. So I will define the host name of particular router, so based on their location or based on their network or based on their configuration. Here I will change my default host name from router to based on the location. So here lab 1. See here, it will automatically change from default router host name to lab 1. So like this, it's possible to change the host name how many times you want. Second one in administrative configurations, password. Why we need password? Passwords are used to secure your router from unauthorized use. So let's take an example. So I will go back to my user execution mode. Then see here, if I type enable, it will automatically enter to privilege mode. So here, so I will give password to protect from entering from user execution mode to privilege mode. Okay, so in that first one is normal password, second one is secret password. Normal password doesn't have any encryption method, but secret password has MD5 encryption method. First I will configure normal password. So let's go to global config mode. Then here the command to enable normal password, enable password, then your password 1 2 3. Okay, let's check. Then again say exit, again one more time exit. Okay, now type enable, it will prompt you for enable, then it will prompt you for password, then give password. So this one is normal password. So this password doesn't have any encryption standard. So we can easily hack this password. Hacker can easily hack this password. Why? Because these passwords are sent in a clear text. So I will show how to verify that password. Show a name. See here. These passwords are there in clear text password. This password nowadays, so we are not going to use this password to protect our in a list secret. These secret passwords or MD5 encrypted password. It's very difficult to crack these passwords. These passwords basically encrypted by MD5 encryption method. So how to enable this secret password? To enable secret password, command is enable secret, then your password or secret, then type, give enter. Let's check the secret password from user execution mode to privilege mode. Again press Ctrl Z, so will directly go to privilege mode, then say exit or disable. Okay, now so give enable once again. First it will prompt you for normal password, so I'll give my normal password 123. Then after that it will prompt you for secret password, then I will give 4543. Then it will enter to privilege mode. So let's check the secret password in running config. These secret passwords are MD5 encrypted one. See here, it's very difficult to crack these passwords. This is all about router basic administrative configuration. For more information and queries, contact Jet King Rajajinagar. Thank you for watching this video.